Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we got a Lexus GX470. This is a 2009 model, and I just want to show you the fuse and the relay before you tackle anything and you consider changing your AC compressor located all the way down below there. It's almost like a $1,400 job. You might want to check your AC pressure. There's a pressure high port here, and you can check the pressure here, and also you got an AC switch right there if you need to check your AC switch, or if you want to know where the hell is the AC switch for this vehicle. But anyways, right here, if you look right here, it says fuses and relays. What you're gonna do is you want to check your fuses before anything. So there's a clip here, you push down on this little guy and this guy just comes right off. Same thing here, push down. So all you need is something small, a screwdriver like that. That's a Phillips head screwdriver, and guy doesn't want to lift up, but it will lift up eventually. Look at that. And you got two number 10s holding this right there, these plastic little screws. So I have a drill ready here. Number 10 comes off. Let me just, oops, come on little guy. You can even probably do it by hand. There you go. But if you need to use a number 10 socket, you could do that with the ratchet or a drill, and you should be able to take off this cover, put it to the side. Look how neat they make it look. And right down here you have a few boxes, relays, fuses. So you push down on this tab right here, this pops open just like so, and inside this is gonna give you a listing of a lot of fuses and relays. So if you hold this just like this, you see these two little retainers right here. You see how it came off just like that, and then we just flipped it. If you hold it in same direction like that, if you look at fuses here, there's 10 amp, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 amp fuses here. So right now we have just confirmed that everything is in order, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna look for AC fuse. So let's just go down. You know what, let's do more than just an AC fuse. Right here you have a radio fuse and a dome light fuse, number 10. I'm sorry, 10 amp and a 20 amp. So this little guy right there is your dome, and right next to it the 20 amp, the yellow fuse right there. You know what, let me take my little guy right here. This is your radio fuse, radio number 1, and this one right here is your dome light. And then you have another radio fuse right here, 30 amp right there. Okay, if you want to check your fuel pump relay is right here. Okay, so let's move on to looking for AC fuse. We have a rear AC right here, 30 amp. So 20 amp and a 30 amp condenser fan. So right here is your rear AC fuse. So let's look for if we see anything else. Okay, so I do not see anything else that we can mess with over here. So most importantly, this guy right here, magnet clutch, that's for your AC. That's this little guy right here. So what you can do is buy another relay. It's like $11 relay, and throw in another relay. Most common problem on any Toyota is relay. Okay, so you take a plier, needle nose, and you pull this relay out and you put another relay in. And you might be wondering, can you which direction do you put it? Well, the relay is only going to go one way. You cannot put it the other way around. The legs are like crisscross and diagonally and horizontally, so you cannot put this relay the wrong way. And with the AC fuse here, this 30 amp, that one doesn't matter. Like, even if you have a question, can you put it this way or that way, it doesn't matter. It's only gonna go in one direction. And I would suggest you check the rest of the fuses out. You get a test light and check it. You have a headlight fuses. These are all your headlight, low and high beam, right and left. And thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully this helps you out. So if you need your AC fuse, and this is a rear AC and AC relay, and that's how simple it is to check on this vehicle. And after that, just take your cover here, make sure you close it up. You don't want no water getting in here. You take this cover, put this cover on, and make sure everything aligns. So now with these clips, you just push down on it, so it should come up just like that if you push just down on it. And once you align it, you should be able to stick this guy in and softly push on it. Let me do another one here for you guys. Push just like that and get that right there, and that's it. Take the two number 10s, put them on, and you're all done. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.